Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your email in Remitly online money transfer account. So you can see this is the remotely account. You need to go here remotely.com, then click here. You can see it's my name, and down arrow simply click here and click settings, and then wait a second to get the page. So it's the page. uh, when you create your account, that time you must give your account, but immediately there are some concern or privacy a problem, then you want to change your email account, then you can see it's email. I already gave my email, so simply click here edit, and then you have to remove this email and you have to give the new one, and at the rate gmail.com, and then save, and they will send you a OTP notification. Then you have to copy that code from your Gmail and paste it here and then save, and it will be successfully changed. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching the video.